What's up, dear traders? How is everybody doing today? My name is Angie, and today we're going to go over and we're going to trade with the triple rebound strategy. This is a counter trend strategy that works both on FTT and the Forex mode on the Olymp Trade platform. The link to the platform is pinned in chat, by the way, so pay attention and go ahead and use it for your convenience. It's also in the description of this video. Speaking of the chat, let's go ahead and quickly check the sound and the picture to make sure that you can hear me and see me well. So give me a shout out in chat so that I know that everything's good with the sound and the picture. Likewise, I do want to let you know that my colleague Nick is in chat with us today, so feel free to ask your questions and share your comments and thoughts. There's also a little poll just to see how much you guys know about this strategy, so go ahead and let us know with that as well. And as always, I want to let you know that you want to make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel, so go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and ring on the notifications bell. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and check to make sure that everything's good with the sound and the picture. Mr. Hridoy Ahmed, hello, thank you so much. Alex YT, welcome, welcome. Deepak, hello. Kirill, hello. Iram, hello. Alrighty, since I see your hellos, I do hope that everything's good with the sound and the picture. Just going to wait for a quick confirmation. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start with the stream. So, my friends, what exactly is a counter trend? What is counter trend trading? This is when the price corrects or bounces from a level of support or resistance against a more global trend. This strategy consists of 3 RSI oscillators with different settings. It's a very popular strategy, and as a matter of fact, it kind of reminds me of a similar strategy on the Olymp Trade platform called the trio strategy, where we also use 3 different oscillators: the RSI, the Williams percentage R, and the CCI. So those were the possible answers that you could have gotten for the poll question as well. My friends, if you're interested in the trio strategy, I'm going to go ahead and post the link for you in chat. You can check it out after the webinar, after the stream. And likewise, if you're watching this afterwards, you'll see the hint come up in the upper right corner. Now, my friends, before I apply the strategy, and of course, we're going to look for some trades, I do want to show you a very brief presentation to explain how the RSI, the Relative Strength Index indicator, works. My friends, for this, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my camera so that you can see all the important information. All right? Alright, so let me go ahead and start the presentation. It's very short, so don't worry. Alrighty, so Relative Strength Index, the RSI oscillator. Let's see what it is. So the RSI is an oscillator, which is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis that measures the speed and the change of price movements. The indicator was developed by J. Wells Wilder, who was an author, he was a market technician, and an inventor of indicators and trading systems. My friends, a couple of interesting books that Mr. Wilder wrote are called New Concepts in Technical Trading Systems and also The Atom Theory of Markets, or What Matters is Profit. These are really interesting books if you want to expand your knowledge. Let me go ahead and send you the titles of these books in chat as well so that you don't lose them. My friends, I see all your shout outs in chat. Thank you. Welcome, everyone. Alrighty, so let's keep going. So this is how the RSI oscillator looks on the platform. It is displayed as a line which travels between 2 extremes. So on a scale of 0 to 100. So the upper boundary is marked by the number 70, which marks the overbought area. This line right here. Whenever the price is above this area, it means that the price is overbought. Overbought means that the price is too high to attract more buyers. And likewise, the lower boundary is marked by the number 30, this green line right here, which marks the oversold area. So the same way, oversold means that the price is too low to attract more sellers. Alrighty, so when the line is below the 30 level, like you see right here, the price, like I already mentioned, is oversold. And when the line starts to cross the 30 mark from the bottom up, we have a potential signal to enter an up trade because the price is likely to rise. And on the flip side of the coin, we have when the line is above the 70 line right here, the price is overbought. And when the line starts to cross the 70 mark from top to bottom, we have a potential signal to enter a down trade because the price is likely to fall. That was all for my presentation, my friends. That was all. So we can now turn back to our strategy. First, let's go ahead and apply it. Where can you find it on the platform? Does anybody know? Let me know in chat. Let me know in chat. Well, I'll go ahead and show you. What you have to do is click on this indicators tab. Then you click on the trading strategies. Scroll down and choose triple rebound. And then enable strategy. As you can see, all of the three indicators are going to be applied automatically to the chart. Oops, there we go. They are applied automatically and with the appropriate settings. The appropriate settings are 7, 14, and 21. Now, here is what we are going to be looking for as far as signals. I do have a little example for you. Let me go ahead and switch to the 5-minute time frame. This is actually today, so it was just recently before the webinar started. I looked for some potential signals so I can show you how it works before we look for trades today. So to enter an up trade, let me go ahead. This is like what we're looking for right here. Let me go ahead and take this off so that you can see a little bit better. So to enter an up trade, we want to see, just a brief second here. So as far as the signal to enter an up trade, we want to see the 21 RSI. That's the one down here. So this is once again 21 RSI. This is 14 RSI. This is 7 RSI. The 21 RSI, what we want to see is for the line to approach the 30 level. And at the same time, we want the 14 and 7 RSI to already be in the oversold area. And we want to see the line cross for it to be crossing the 30 mark from the bottom up. This is a signal to enter an up trade. As you can see, the price increased. Just the same, so we have the same story, but for the upper boundary to enter a down trade. Once again, you want to see the 21 RSI approach the 70 mark. We want the 14 and 7 RSI to already be in the overbought area and for the line to be crossing the 70 mark to the downside. And as you can see, the price did decrease. My friends, can you hear me and see me well? Is everything okay with the yeah, I think everything is good. Just make sure. Y'all give me a shout out in chat to let me know that you can everything is good with the picture. All right, so in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and continue, and then we're gonna look for some trades. Yes, Shibu, we are going to be looking at 1-minute candles. Right now, I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame just to give you an example of these the signals. Now, another potential signal that we can have is when all three RSI oscillators either go into overbought or the oversold area. So this means that all three lines go above 70, we can look to enter a down trade. And if all three lines go below the 30 mark, we can consider opening an up trade. All right, thanks for the confirmation, my friends. Thanks for the confirmation. So just like in this example, as we can see, this the 7, the 14, as well as the 21 RSI went into the oversold area. We could have entered an up trade, and as you can see, the price did increase. Let me just go ahead and scroll this down right here. I'm going to go ahead and switch the 1 minute time frame. So just once again, my friends, the signal that we want to see, we want make this a little bit bigger. We want the 21 RSI to enter an uptrade. We want the 21 RSI to come near this 30 level. We want the 14 and the 7 to already be in the oversold area, and the line is supposed to be crossing this line up. So this is for an uptrade. And likewise scenario for a down trade. We are looking at a potential down trade. Let me see. Right now, you see, if this if the 21 RSI already crossed above 70, I probably would have entered a down trade. Right now, I'm going to be waiting for this line to cross the 70 mark down. So we're going to stick to gold for just a moment. And while we're waiting for this line right here, likewise scenario for a down trade, we want the 21 RSI to approach this 70 mark. Approach it. We want the 21 and the 14 and 7 to already be in the overbought area, and for the line to be crossing the 70 mark down. So this is actually a really interesting situation that we're watching right here. As you can see, my friends, the 21 RSI, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and try this down for 3 minutes. As you can see, the 21 RSI also went into overbought. We'll see how that works out. My friends, I do hope that you guys understood how this strategy works. I'm going to go ahead and trade one more down. Interesting situation with gold. And in the meantime, I do hope that you understood how this strategy works. So let's go ahead and go down the list of assets and see if we can find some more trades. As always, I try to start with the highest rate of return and go down the list. And we are looking at the 1 minute time frame. And my trade duration should be either times 2 or times 3. So right now I chose my trade duration to be 3 minutes. Yeah, Mahmoud, I do agree with you. Pretty easy, but fairly profitable. Let me just check how this is doing. I'm curious. Alright, that's the next one. Let's see. I do have some time still. So on the Euro GBP, we don't see anything right now. Oh, gold, what are you doing? So bullish. Clear uptrend. We do have some time. Let's see. Basic dollar index. And my friends, if you do see a signal that you would like, yes, Mahmoud, you can use the this strategy for Forex as well. You would basically use it in the same manner, but probably on a higher time frame. And you just need to, it's recommended for you to set a stop loss and a take profit. So you can set your stop loss at like minus 50% and your take profit at like 150%. So 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. All right, USD JPY. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. We came near that 21 mark. This one's crossing it up. It looks a little bit iffy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it still, because it's according to the strategy. Although it's a little bit weak right here, you know. All right, let's see. That's why I lowered my trade amount. So this is also not looking, only here in the overbought. What's Bitcoin doing? Trading at 40,000, huh? A little above that. Asia Composite Index. You said check silver? Let's see. Yes, but did I miss it? You are correct. You see how the line came up to this level? Once again, since I came a little late to this show right here, let's try that. Well, gold was successful. Yeah, go Angie. Whoop whoop, go Angie. So Mahmoud, yeah, the silver is also looking good. Let's continue going down the assets. USD JPY, not so much. Like I said, it was a little weak. You know, I really would love that it would for the lines to have a curve coming in. But oh, but maybe still have to. Oh, I like that. Let's see what else we got on the list here. I think this is where I stopped. What's commodities new? Euro US dollar, oh my goodness, dropped to what, like 105 today? I was watching the news. No, not Euro US dollar, not right now. No. So as you guys understand, like the 7, 14, and 21, so this is going to be like the fastest responding RSI. This is the midterm, and this is the longer term. That's why we don't necessarily need for it to go into the oversold, into the overbought. We need it for to approach those lines. All right, let's see what else we got here. Nope. Let's see. I'm gonna keep looking, my friend. Oh, what's this here? No. Brent oil. What's Brent oil doing? Kind of a weak approach. Silver went in. What about the other one? I missed it. No, we're just doing fantabulous today. We're just doing fantastic. I think after such good trading signals, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish going down the line here, and then we'll see. Let's see, CAD CHF. So this is a very easy to use strategy, and it works great on lower time frames, like the 1 minutes. I'm a little late for this one. Let me think. I'm trying to enter this for 1 minute. Let's see how that goes. CHF JPY, the Dow Jones. I'm just gonna go ahead and answer this question for Karan. How long do you think I should keep my trades amount small? Because I'm not making any profit, and I do win trades, but at the end of the day, I'm just stuck at one point. As far as I understand, stuck at one point is that you break even, so you don't make any profit, but you don't have any losses either. You do want to have a profitability, but of course, ideally above 50%, it's 60% at least. If you're at least breaking even, you're doing good. You can try out different strategies. Also, don't forget to use the demo account. Likewise, I would suggest that you keep to about 1% trades from your total deposit. Let me just check that. Fantastic. Doing great. And only increase the trade amount once you have profitability and stable profitability. I would also advise for you to watch some psychology videos, just to try and understand what is it that's going on. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and send the link for you in chat to the trading psychology playlist. We've gathered like a whole bunch of very short videos, but that basically explain how and why we react the way we do when we trade sometimes. Alrighty, let's see. The Dow Jones, no. Euro AUD, pretty good. Euro CAD. No. Here the price, as you can see, is within the channel already, so not according to this. Oh, let's see. Well, no, too far. Too far away. Alrighty, let me see here. You know, one of the things that I have a problem is sometimes when I change the trade duration, and then come back, I see a signal. I traded. I entered too quick. Always don't forget to check your parameters before you start clicking your buttons. Alrighty, let's see here. USD CHF. No. Let me just go back to gold. Gold was looking interesting today. No. Alrighty, my friends, I'm not gonna keep clicking through the assets. I do hope that you saw how the strategy works. All 5 of my trades went in profit with this strategy. I'm super happy, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that. So, dear traders, dear investors, my friends, I do want to thank you so much, all of you, for tuning in today. Once again, I really do hope that you enjoyed this lesson and that you understand how to use this strategy for profitable trading. I do want to mention that this Thursday, as usual, you can join our VIP department, and they're going to have another full session on trading according to this strategy. So that's going to be really cool. Triple Rebound Strategy, 3 RSI oscillators. And likewise, I do want to mention that tomorrow we are going to have another stream on price and candlestick patterns and how to use them for price action trading. So that's also going to be interesting. I want to remind you to please make sure that you are subscribed. Show me your support and give me a thumbs up. And of course, ring on that notifications bell so that you don't miss out when the live webinars and the streams and video releases come out. And another thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you visit our social networks. There's a lot of very interesting trading materials there as well. My friends, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Angie, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye-bye.